निश्चय का मैसेज आया, आज उसका इवेंट है तो उसको कपड़े चाहिए, क्योंकि 10 दिन से तो वो बाहर ही है, तो कपड़े तो सारे उसके गंदे हो गए होंगे। तो उसका मैसेज आया कि निश्चय के हाथ मेरे कपड़े भेज देना। तो मैंने कहा पहले ये काम कर लेते हैं, कपड़े निकाल देती हूँ, क्योंकि फिर निश्चय आ गया तो उसको जल्दी होएगी, खाना भी खिलाना है उसको। बोला तो उसने सारे ही ब्लैक था, लेकिन मैंने अपनी मर्जी से निकाल दी है, पता नहीं पसंद आते हैं कि नहीं उसको। इधर सर मेरे पूरे भक्ति में लीन, यहाँ पे चल रहे हैं भजन,
सुंदरकांड का पाठ चल रहा है।
तो वाई सो सैड।
चोट पे ना चीज सी पड़ रही है, जैसे मतलब अगर ऐसे करो तो।
ये कल बारिश हुई थी, वॉक करने गए और वॉक करते करते गिर गए, और यहाँ
अरे यार क्या यार।
हेलो जी, एक्साइटेड है?
हाँ बहुत
है
एक्साइटेड तो
भाई कभी ज़िंदगी में प्लीज़ ये जैकेट मत पहनना, ये वॉर सिटी जैकेट प्लीज़ मत पहनना भाई।
ये देखो वाइट चने, वाइट छोले के साथ क्या बनेगा? भटूरे, क्योंकि पता ही है कौन शौकीन है भटूरों का। वो चाहे बाद में बोले कि मेरी डाइट खराब कर दी है, लेकिन भटूरे, ये देखो आटा गूंदने लगी हूँ मैंने, दही के साथ आटा गूंदूंगी।
उसके पापा आए हैं भाई।
कभी मत पहनना भाई, ये ऐसी शर्ट्स कभी ऐसे जैकेट्स कभी मत पहनना भाई, बहुत
तो
गंदी, बहुत
फिर
छपरी लगता है भाई।
क्या प्लान है?
प्लान यही है, निश्चय भाई को लेके जाना है, कैसा ही, और आदर्श, आरुष, लैला, महेश भी आ रहे
हाँ
हैं।
हाँ, सब लोग आ रहे हैं, सबका मीटअप है।
मीटअप है।
बढ़िया बढ़िया। तो कपड़े ठीक है, वो देख ले भाई।
ठीक है, मैंने ऑर्डर दे दिया, कपड़े ले आई हो, और फोकस की बेटी ले आई हो।
अच्छा, फोकस भी ले ली।
बेटी कम से कम टिकी हुई रखी है, कपड़े ले लिए।
चलो, छोले कुलचे बन गए हैं। ब्रेकफास्ट में मैंने छोले कुलचे ही बना दिए, मटर कुलचा मतलब। आप बता दो कि कैसा टेस्ट है, और मेल्टी मत करना।
कितने मार्क्स लोगे?
हाँ,
10 में से 8।
2 क्यों काटे हमने?
2 क्यों काटे ये भी बता दो।
मेरे हिसाब से मुझे लगा नमक हल्का सा कम, बट कम नहीं है, ये भी बता दूं।
वो लोग पता नमक मिर्ची कम खाते हैं।
मिर्ची तो खाते ही नहीं है,
हाँ, तो इसलिए अपने हिसाब से मत सोचो ना।
उनके हिसाब से सही है।
Yo guys, तो हम आ गए हैं मीटअप से, एंड मीटअप was काफी ज्यादा crazy, and now we have all the people over here. Hello. Welcome to Dimple Mahan Vlogs.
Damn, it's cold.
Yeah, I told you it's gonna be cold in Delhi.
What the hell?
You need a jacket?
No, I'm alright. I'm alright. I mean, I think we're
Let's go. I'm very excited you to see my house.
It looks really nice.
Like, let's come on, DJ, let's go.
Let's go. Come on.
Now we're gonna party, and we have the main guy, Steve.
Yes, man.
Yes, finally, we did the meetup. We did everything, man. We should get inside. Let's go.
Do you do all of it?
No, I just opened it for you.
Oh, okay. Oh,
Yes.
Oh my God. Yo.
That's my mom. That's my bhabhi ji, sister-in-law.
This is.
Like it?
भाई दिस इज मैंने 1-2 बार क्लिप्स देखी हैं इस वीडियो की, और मुझे बहुत ही क्यूट लगती है एक चीज़। मुझे कैसा ही नहीं पसंद है, बाय द वे मैं देखता नहीं हूँ उसको। नहीं पसंद मतलब आई डोंट हेट हिम, आई डोंट वॉच हिम, आई डोंट फाइंड हिम फनी, आई डोंट एवर वॉच हिम। लेकिन भाई इस घर में घुसते साथ सबसे पहले चीज़ इसने जो करी, उसने अपने जूते उतारे, जो कि मुझे बड़ा क्यूट लगा भाई। हाँ वही, बिकॉज ही प्रॉब्ली नोज द इंडियन ट्रेडिशन। बहुत क्यूट बात है वो।
Yeah, this is incredible.
Welcoming everyone.
Chill though, yeah, I just don't find him funny for some reason.
We have
Wow.
more.
Nice, good to see you.
Love your live stream.
Thank you.
That's my dad.
Well behaved, very well behaved.
Hi, Dad. How's it going? Good to see you. Sorry about your hand.
Come to Messi. That's Mo.
हेलो।
Hey, good to see
My
you.
mom is a vlogger.
Yeah, I know.
She vlogs everything, and like
Wow.
this is her own channel, and now she's like 5 million, 6 million
More
subscribers.
than 6.
Gosh,
She gets 100 million views per month.
you get more than me.
This is why they don't give a shit about numbers. This is the reason why, क्योंकि इंडिया में it's like it's all about numbers भाई। 10 मिलियन, 20 मिलियन, 100 मिलियन भाई, लेकिन लोग कौन है? 12 साल के बच्चे, या फिर अनपढ़ लोग, या फिर अनएम्प्लॉयड लोग, या फिर पंचर बनाने वाला, या कुछ, मतलब कम ऑन ब्रो।
Time when she used to hit 10 million. Now she'll hit again from that time.
हेलो। हाय।
You just have a seat, like I think you guys.
It's so
पानी की बॉटल्स हैं वो।
white.
Yeah, he's like,
Yeah.
why is it so white,
It's
man?
so white.
It's so white and cold.
My room is completely dark. It's
Oh, okay.
no, like, yeah,
अबे शॉल वॉल रखा करो यार, उसको ठंडी लग रही है, शॉल पहना देते हैं। कैसा का बहुत ठंड लग रही है। आई कैन जस्ट आई नोटिस्ड हिम इन द, जब वो नीचे उतरा था ना अपनी वैन से, तभी व्हेन ही सेड कि डैम इट्स सो कोल्ड, ऑब्वियसली ब्रो ही इज कोल्ड एज फक, गिव हिम समथिंग, गिव हिम लाइक अ शॉल, गिव हिम लाइक अ स्वेटर, जैकेट, समथिंग।
वो white.
This is.
like my dad, he always wanted to make his house completely white and shiny, and I always wanted to make my room completely dark. So I feel like Batman.
कैसा लंदन का है, ऐसे दिल्ली में ठंड लग रही है। अरे क्योंकि उसने कपड़े नहीं पहना ना दोस्त, ये देख इसने, सब लोगों ने जैकेट्स वैकेट्स पहनी हुई हैं, उसने नहीं पहनी।
He's like 7'2". His 7'2" with 24 inches bicep.
Oh.
He's 6'7".
He's 6'7".
6'7".
Come guys, sit. Make yourself comfortable, please. But I'll serve water to everyone first.
Yeah, that's kind of. Kambodi is the one that put in Budapest.
Water.
The wrestling.
Water.
Okay.
Water.
फोकस नहीं पिलाई।
Now you should.
राज रिप्लाई किस चीज़ का? डू यू थिंक ही इज एन कैरेक्टर दो लाइक बीइंग हम्बल? नहीं नहीं नहीं, बाहर के लोग थोड़े सेंसिबल होते हैं भाई। आई डोंट थिंक दे आर फेकिंग।
Because you are my guest.
I mean, how else would he behave inside someone's house? He's just being respectful. उसके लिए कैरेक्टर में घुसने की क्या ज़रूरत है?
This is your house?
Yeah. Like me and my brother and my mom.
Well, yeah, family house.
Yeah, our family house.
So I'm just in shock, and I already have water. Oh, thank you, there. Double water. I'm just in shock at how amazing it is. It's so nice. So nice. It's so clean.
Yeah, because maybe he wasn't expecting like good houses in India.
It's just. Wow. It's really in your face.
It's like my mom. She doesn't even like a particle of dust.
She has OCD.
She has OCD. She's like, if there's even one dust, she'll clean it for 24 hours.
It's an incredible house.
All credit goes to her.
So, I'm gonna give him a house tour. We should start from downstairs, I guess.
Yes,
Let's go
basement.
downstairs.
How many floors is it?
Basement, ground floor, first floor, and second floor.
Did you guys build this?
We built it from the scratch.
But I used to think they are unhinged and they don't give a shit, obviously, but with their friends, not in a different country in someone else's house. Especially with orthodox people around. And by the way, ये लोग पूरे family friendly content बनाते हैं, ये सारे के सारे लोग, ये मल्हान family. So ऐसा तो है नहीं कि KSI को पता नहीं है ये. Dude, KSI doesn't care about these people. ये मैनेजमेंट का पूरा गेम होता है, तो मैनेजमेंट ने ब्रीफ करा होगा कि भाई ये है, मम्मी जी व्लॉगर है, इनकी पूरी फैमिली व्लॉगर है, इतने व्यूज़ आते हैं, ऐसा कंटेंट है इनका। ये
Pool right now it's way too cold.
Yeah.
So we have just emptied the pool and there's no water inside.
Okay.
And then we here have a spa room and a steam room.
एक दिन कोई नहीं नहाया है उसके अंदर, दिख रहा है वो साफ। किसी ने आज तक यूज़ नहीं करा स्पा रूम और स्टीम।
Here's the gym.
Wow, okay, sick.
If you want to go and hit some bench press. So it's like
यार लेकिन घर तो अच्छा है भाई, घर
two
तो
people can work out at one time. Not more than that.
पैसा हो तो क्या नहीं हो सकता।
It's like it gets to. But I've got all the weights like till 40-45 kgs.
Like stuff.
Legs and
Yeah, there you go. Ellipticals, treadmills.
This is our home theater where we hardly watch any movies.
But we play FIFA over here.
This is where I'm gonna beat Nisha.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You're gonna beat Nisha over here.
आपका भी घर ऐसा होगा भाई, तेरे मुंह में घी शक्कर।
But it's like we
इससे अच्छा होगा बोल, वैसे इससे अच्छा
open
होगा
it
बोल।
once in a
It
month.
was specially made for Abhishek because he doesn't like sitting at all.
I like to just sleep and around and like.
Can I go in?
Yeah, obviously. It's all your house. Come on. Did you want to jump inside? Oh, now he's gonna sleep. He was sleeping in the bus.
पैसा हो तो हाइट बड़ी नहीं हो सकती, वो भी हो सकती है दोस्त।
Oh my god.
पैसा हो तो सब हो सकता है।
This is very mushy.
Oh. This is such a good idea. Wow.
Yeah, this is the like most comfortable
Whoa.
like piece of our house, I think. This is amazing. Yeah.
Bro, so you're just there watching? Nah, this is lit. Nah, this is so smart, bro. Bun this.
Nah,
One-
you know what?
one
I
means,
gotta give it
bro.
to you. This is actually a good idea.
This is an incredible. I've never seen
I can
this.
imagine just like
I always want to see movies, but it's like I don't like the recliners and all. I just
Yeah.
want to like lay down and watch it like in my bed. So we built it specially for that thing.
Who
and,
quit? I'll tell you who
obviously
quit after
Mom
this.
is the mastermind behind this. She's
Wow. This super smart. This
I'm
is
just giving her the
sick.
credit. It's my idea.
You hardly use this.
No, you can even like smell it. It gets open once in a month, like
Wow.
maximum. When we play FIFA,
it's got that brand new smell.
yeah, it has that brand new smell.
You know what? This during the World Cup.
You should
watch
come
it
here
for
and
you.
we'll
Yeah,
watch all
yeah.
the matches over here.
Just watch, chill, vibe. Oh my god.
But we'll play a FIFA match over here.
Okay. Wait, can you play?
Yeah, but I have the master player, the gamer, the triggered insan. He's gonna play there.
God, if I beat him.
And you
he's
know
gonna
what?
be so-
Mom has made chole bhature for you. Do you know what chole bhature is?
Chickpeas.
अरे
Chickpeas.
आपको नहीं बताना.
Oh, acha. This is challenge for you.
Chole bhature is.
What?
Chickpeas.
Chickpeas?
बट ब्रो व्हाई वुड यू गेट देम छोले भटूरे मतलब क्योंकि उसमें फिर भी मसाले होते हैं could have cooked like chicken अच्छा maybe are they vegetarian are these guys vegetarian chicken would be the safest thing to make Americans or Britishers eat roasted chicken tikka stuff like that
Next.
If chole is chickpeas, what is bhature?
I'm not a clue.
Peas chick.
It's like a bread.
Oh.
Yeah.
Something to enjoy with the chickpeas. Food for you for tonight.
what
Oh, this is her Dimple's kitchen. She's written Dimple over there. And she has cooked a lot of yummy food for you for tonight.
Yeah. You should. Ooh. It's cooking away.
Let's cook together.
Yeah, yeah.
This is bhatura. She's gonna make bhatura out of it.
We roll it and put in hot oil.
And then lot of calories, and then you become fat, and no abs left. That's
Yes, I am.
It's like a conversation pit for all the people to come and sit over here.
Sit and watch.
Sit, watch like anything you guys want to watch.
Oh, shut up.
You know
यार
where
ये
did
तो
I get
कॉपी
this?
करके अमीर हो गए भाई सत्यता यही बात है ज़िंदगी में कि कॉपी करो कुछ भी करो मेहनत हर चीज़ में लगती है भाई ये भी ऐसे बिना मेहनत के तो अमीर नहीं हुए हैं काफ़ी लाइक तुम यार मतलब काम करना होता है देखो एक ना बहुत सिंपल सी चीज़ है जिस दिन तुम ये समझोगे उस दिन तुम्हें बहुत ही एक डिफरेंट पर्सपेक्टिव मिलेगा चीज़ों को देखने का तुम्हारी अगर जॉब सिर्फ इतनी भी है कि तुम्हें कुछ अपलोड भी नहीं करना तुम्हें कंटेंट नहीं बनाना सब सारे लोग हैं आजू बाजू सारे लोग तुम्हारा काम कर रहे हैं कोई शूट कर रहा है कोई एडिट कर रहा है कोई अपलोड कर रहा है लेकिन तुम्हें उनको कंटेंट देने के लिए ही हर रोज़ उठना पड़ेगा अपने बेड से और कुछ करना पड़ेगा समझ रहे हो तो कुछ ना कुछ तो करना ही होता है भाई और तुम यू वुड बी वेरी सरप्राइज्ड कि बहुत सारे लोग जिनको लगता है कि ये सब घटिया कंटेंट है और वो है भी ये घटिया कंटेंट है बट बहुत सारे लोग जो कहते हैं कि घटिया कंटेंट है ऐसा वैसा वो अच्छा कंटेंट बना सकते हैं इसीलिए वो कह रहे हैं घटिया कंटेंट है जैसे तुम अपने दिमाग में सोचते हो कि भाई मेरे पास अगर इतना पैसा होता तो मेरी पर्सनालिटी इससे बेटर होती मेरी चॉइसेस इससे बेटर होती मेरा कंटेंट इससे बेटर होता प्रॉब्लम ये है तुमने कुछ करा नहीं है लेकिन समझ रहे हो बात तो जो लोग का टेस्ट बेटर भी है ना वो कुछ करते ही नहीं है समझ रहे हो फॉर एग्जांपल जैसे मैं आई एम डिज़ाइनिंग शर्ट्स सेम फिलोसफी आई लुक एट डिज़ाइन आई डोंट लाइक इट बट आई एम मेकिंग देम you know I'm investing money I'm spending time you know अब जैसे तुम लोग व्लॉग्स देखते हो you know you can do better but you don't do it एंड बहुत सारे लोग उसमें वो होता है कि अरे भाई गेयर नहीं है मेरे पास टाइम नहीं है मैं स्टूडेंट हूँ फिर सौरभ जैसे जोशी जैसे लोग आ जाते हैं कुछ नहीं करते कैमरा लेके चालू हो जाते हैं और फिर तुम देख लो कहाँ पे पहुँच गए मतलब समझ रहे हो इट्स लाइक एट द एंड ऑफ द डे इट डूइंग एनीथिंग जस्ट डूइंग इट मैटर्स एनीथिंग मैटर्स लेस डूइंग मैटर्स मोर समझ रहे हो जैसे हम सोचते हैं ना डूइंग समथिंग इम्पॉर्टेंट हमारे दिमाग में 3 चीज़ें होती हैं डूइंग समथिंग इम्पॉर्टेंट मैटर नहीं करता डूइंग मैटर करता है ठीक है तो ये लोग भी इनकी पूरी फैमिली है सोचो हर रोज़ अपलोड करते हैं कुछ ना कुछ ये लोग यू नो मैं ज़िंदगी में एक वीडियो नहीं देखा होगा मैंने इन लोगों का भाई मुझे इतने बोरिंग लगते हैं लेकिन दे आर स्टिल डूइंग भाई दे आर नॉट क्विटिंग दे आर नॉट ये कि अरे 10 करोड़ आ गए बैठ जाते हैं घर पे अभी भी कर रहे हैं देखो इस पे भी कितना कंटेंट निकलवा रहे हैं क्रेजी ब्रो लाइक इट्स व्हाटएवर
This concept from the Logan's house. Even he has that conversation pit.
Yeah, this is quite smart. Even well, when you're here, you're chatting away.
Like everyone can talk. Yeah.
We just watch some TV. Yeah, yeah.
Bro, wait a
Wait,
second.
Like
ये
everyone-
why is it so wet? What just happened? Yeah, KSI गीला क्यों है?
You know where did I get this concept from?
Where?
The Logan's house.
Or maybe it's not wet. Maybe it's suede.
Even he has that conversation
Oh yeah,
pit.
it's suede. It's suede. It's suede.
Yeah, this is quite smart. Even well, when you're here,
Suede
you're
है.
chatting away.
Like everyone can talk.
Satin और suede जो भी कहते हैं उसको.
Yeah.
We just watch some TV. Yeah, yeah. I like that part in the show.
This is like the coziest area of this house. Every time we have to sleep, we just come here, play something, and we sleep. We don't watch it.
Wow.
We just sleep.
It just
If you want to sleep, you'll just switch on the TV and just have a blanket over here and you'll sleep.
okay, and you're out. Yeah.
This is a secret washroom.
Ah.
If you wanna use the washroom, it's here.
Okay.
No, that's okay. You can go.
But you can't see it from outside.
Yeah, no, it's sick.
And that's mom, dad's room. Over here, it's like 24/7 mom's channel's videos only. The revenue in India, the CPM is very less.
Yeah.
So more we view the video, we're gonna make them more money.
Well, you just watch your videos.
Yeah,
on
just
repeat.
keep watching the video more and more and
Bro,
again.
that is super cringe. Not gonna lie. This is super cringe, bhai. This is insanely embarrassing, but ठीक.
I just wanted to see my room now.
Insanely embarrassing.
Okay, how many times have you walked into this wall?
I won't say the problem. It's like the best part is I don't drink.
And this thing is also very very bad. This choice of having an illusion here, very bad.
So if I would have been high or if I would be like in a
Oh, it looks like you can just walk in, like, oh my god, let me just go.
highly wanted, if you're not drink at a hotel after the shoot, you can stay in the guest room. Everyone who comes, we make them like sleep over here.
Every room is
Yeah, it's different than
this is a guest room. You got the TV, you got this lovely bed.
and we have a very beautiful view from here. You can just see the entire view of the.
Yeah.
It's like
The other houses.
yeah, all the houses. But they're like all the villas over here with the same kind of architecture, except that one.
What, all similar to this?
Yeah.
What, and they're also
not
built.
the indoor,
Oh.
but the outdoor. And now you'll see the best room.
Yo,
My room is gonna be the best room, man. Let's go and see the best room.
बहुत cringe लग रहा है मुझे. बहुत show off ही टाइप की vibe आ रही है, but you know whatever.
Oh, I see what you mean by dark.
It is a nice house.
Wow. Okay. Yeah, yeah. Yeah.
Like it's a complete black room.
First of all, yeah.
Yeah,
This,
He's just excited. Yeah. वही मैं कह रहा हूँ. मतलब मुझे cringe लग रहा है, but it's not like he's doing something bad. You know, if you think about it, if a guest visits your house, majority जो है वो घर दिखाते हैं. So there's nothing out of the ordinary here.
If you need a massage, good massage.
And इन्होंने घर ही शो ऑफ के लिए बनाया है. इसके घर में इतनी सारी फालतू की चीज़ें जो सिर्फ शो ऑफ के लिए है, तो obviously they'll do it.
how many times do you use this?
Yeah, every time, man. Every time I'm staying at my house, I'm gonna use it. Like for hours and hours. Even sometimes I see my mom over here. I walk.
आपको बताओ, honestly बताओ, मैं उल्टा हूँ. Although I'm not like that rich or I don't have a crazy room set up something like that. But जब मेरे घर में कोई आता है, मैं अपना गेट बंद कर लेता हूँ ताकि वो मेरा सेटअप ना देख पाए. Legit बता रहा हूँ मैं तुमको. Swear to God.
And my mom is like taking the massage. I'm like, oh my god, chill time.
Is that a TV screen?
Controller.
Yeah, the controller. Even if you come and sleep in the afternoon, you won't get it because you won't get any lights from here.
Why did
Light.
you call your fan this panda?
Because initially I thought that I am very lazy and I love to sleep and I love to eat, and that's what pandas do.
Yeah.
So I called everyone Panda Gang. And then,
Do you sleep with a panda?
yeah,
Oh.
just I keep it there around me.
What, as in like you sleep with it and it wraps around?
No, not that.
Oh.
Like it will be on it.
यार पांडा गैंग में बस वही है कि आपके दो शब्दों के अगर फर्स्ट इनिशियल्स इंटरट्वाइन हो जाते हैं, इंटरमिक्स हो जाते हैं, तो ज़्यादा मज़ा आता है.
Someone and I'll be there, just sleeping.
So,
Sometimes when I don't use pillow, I just keep my head over here. Like it's very comfortable.
Look, I don't judge, man. If you want to get freaked with a panda.
The hidden camera is also there in his eyes.
Jeez. Cool.
What is he doing, man? Come on, I'll show you the secret room from here. Like it gets connected to my gaming room. That's
Oh,
Okay, that looks nice. इसने कुछ changes करे.
Yeah.
That looks nice.
no, shut up, man. Oh, wow. Just get out of here, man. What are you doing? What are you doing? You're doing too much, man. You're doing too much. This is,
nice, right?
bro.
We've built a gaming room from my room, and it's like you can.
भाई है तो बहुत
Oh my
सुंदर.
god!
है तो बहुत सुंदर. है तो बहुत सुंदर.
He got scared. He got crazy scared, man.
Got it right.
Yeah, I got it. He got scared.
Man. Bro,
Yeah, he got super scared.
no, man.
Come on, now I think we should. No, definitely not. That's the meme thing. That's gonna get viral.
हमारी
Yeah.
क्या नाम है? कोई नाम नहीं है.
Yeah, for sure.
We are the best in 2 continents. That is what it is.
Wow. I'm the chosen
हमारा
one.
कोई नाम नहीं है.
You feel the power?
Yeah,
I'll tell the editor to add the power. Ta-da! Crazy.
well, then that'd be really cringe.
Yeah.
Imagine if he adds the sound.
Hey, yo, don't stiff me up, man.
Then for sure.
The standard till the bottom, till the basement. I think it's very less talked about in our
जानवर
house,
के
but
लोग
I
हैं.
think this is one
हाँ,
of the most prettiest things.
Yeah. It definitely, I mean,
It starts from the ceiling and goes till the bottom.
yeah, it's crazy. I didn't even notice it. I was kind of looking at everything else.
Yeah.
Bro, why are there so many spikes? Looks
Then that's why I said it's
like
like
a
the least talked
lizard.
about, but it's like
भाई अगर ये चीज गिर के किसी पे पड़ी ना भाई, उसका चाउमीन बन जाना है भाई. What the fuck are these spikes?
very, very amazing thing. And this is our second guest house. Like if Neji also wants to stay.
2 guest house.
Yeah.
What?
Bro, what the fuck is that bed for guests? Even for guests, what the fuck is that bed?
Has a round bed because I always wanted. I saw a movie Om Shanti Om that we were talking about.
Oh, yes.
It's like the protagonist of the story gets up and he's like, I want a round bed with fur slippers. That was
yeah.
my dream thing.
I kind of just want that.
Yeah.
And now you have it. Oh my. Bro, look at what YouTube can get you, man.
Yeah, man. I'll always say that it's all YouTube, nothing else. Like,
अरे लेकिन वो सोने वाले उस पे चढ़ क्यों गया तू भाई? अरे भाई,
YouTube has given us everything.
अरे भाई लेकिन
Damn, man. I need work hard.
लेकिन भाई
Still, I need to tell that YouTube
अरे भाई.
CPM pays less.
अरे अरे भाई
You were going ham.
वो
in
सब तो
America.
ठीक है, लेकिन भाई तेरे बास मारते हुए मोजे अब उनकी नाक पे लगेंगे जब वो सोएंगे तो व्हाट द हेल.
Or England. Oh my god.
अरे
You
उतर
would
जा भाई, अब पसीना भी सोख कर लेगा. बेड नीचे उतर जा भाई.
run this whole earth. Because Jesus, this is out of this
I'm
world.
glad, like, I'm glad.
This is out of this world, man. What a house.
I'll show you the last Nishcha's room. And he's like the gamer of
They
the
will not sleep, they are just visiting. अच्छा,
house.
Yeah.
मुझे लगा they will sleep क्योंकि इन्होंने वो बोला ना गेस्ट रूम करके.
Has the biggest gaming setup.
He plays till 5 a.m.
He plays till 5 a.m. He just play games and watch Sidemen. That's all it is.
Wow.
So it's his PC setup. He was like,
And this is a custom made PC by Intel for
this is
Nishchai.
custom made PC.
भाई निश्चय मल्हान इंडिया के सबसे बड़े गेमर्स में से आता है और उसको इंटेल ने एक पीसी बना के दिया, गेमिंग पीसी. डेडमाउस गेमर भी नहीं है, उसको रेजर और एनवीडिया ने 6 पीसीज बना के दिए 2015 में, और तुम लोग उसको हल्के में ले रहे थे. बताओ, इंटेल क्या बाहर में. एनवीडिया और रेजर 2015-16 में कस्टम पीसी फॉर डेडमाउस 6, एक नहीं 6.
It's a custom PC.
Yeah, it's what's customized for him.
Wow.
And he even got the best creator.
कंपैरिजन भी क्या कर रहा है, मैं बता रहा हूँ कि भाई ये मतलब कितनी शर्मनाक बात है कि तुम गेमर हो सबसे बड़े एक 1.5 बिलियन लोगों के देश में, तुम्हारे पास एक कस्टम पीसी है. बताओ.
Award from Prime Minister of India
Oh my gosh.
for being the best gamer in the country.
What?
Yeah.
I have to smoke.
If I still cannot fucking believe कि प्राइम मिनिस्टर मोदी gave these guys the award of the best gamer in the country. That's crazy.
Being the best gamer in the country.
मैं मजाक नहीं कर रहा, अगर मैं ओपन चैलेंज दे रहा हूँ भाई, ये मल्हान ब्रदर्स को 1v1 कर लो CS पे, CS में 1v1 कर लो भाई, ओपन चैलेंज दे रहा हूँ मैं, ओपन चैलेंज दे रहा हूँ। CS छोड़ो, वैलोरेंट में कर लो, वैलोरेंट तो मैं खेलता भी नहीं, 3 साल हो गए नहीं खेला वैलोरेंट, 1v1 कर लो, ओपन चैलेंज है भाई, यू नो। और मैं तो गेमर भी नहीं हूँ।
I have to smoke him at FIFA. If I smoke him at FIFA, I'm taking that.
अरे तुमको पता है निश्चय मल्हान डोटा खेलता है, डोटा में 1v1 कर ले भाई, डोटा में 1v1 कर ले भाई। तू वैलोरेंट CS डोटा, तेरे को और कौन से गेम्स होते हैं जिसमें तू चेस खेल रहा है, चेस में 1v1 कर ले भाई। और कौन से गेम्स है जिसमें 1v1 हो सकता है?
Now he's worried. Now he's worried.
And he's also very good at FIFA, so I'd
फ्री फायर नहीं।
like
very
you
good at
to
FIFA.
play together.
He's
and
very
see.
good at FIFA.
Very
Yeah.
good at FIFA.
Alright, well, if he beats you, then I'll come up, bro. It's alright.
Let's see. The best thing about his room is like he has a revolving television. If you want to sit over here,
What?
he has a revolving television.
This whole house is super awesome, man.
Thanks, man. Now we should all eat some great
ABS is good, तो ठीक है यार,
food. Mom has
अच्छी बात है,
made all
ABS is good।
amazing food for all of
उससे भी करवा लो 1v1।
you. And let's hop onto Indian food. I think you should take the elevator and I.
Okay, okay.
And you
भाई नया लैपटॉप आने दो, तुम मेरी गेमिंग स्किल्स देखना, कभी मज़ा आएगा तुमको।
come with me for.
लैपटॉप आने दो बस नया।
Let's go, Reggie.
Which floor?
अब तो मैंने कितने सालों बाद गेमिंग करी है भाई, वरना जब मैं 15-16 साल का था भाई, क्रेजी।
It's like ground zero.
Okay.
This whole house, KSI, it's all his hard work. And obviously, he's worked super hard for this. Like, he's the one who got all of us on YouTube. He's
This
like,
house is I saw the Prime Minister gave you best gamer of the year. I'll be taking that.
he's gonna defeat you in FIFA now, and he's gonna take that tag from you.
I'm going to beat him at least 6-0.
Oh,
At least. I was calculating 6, 7, 8, maybe.
6-7.
So
Who did you beat?
No.
no, I
He bet some guy at some house.
yeah.
Okay. I'm pretty sure like I'm decent at FIFA. I've been playing it for like 5 months.
Okay.
Now I want to see him beating one of you. I swear, if he loses, I'm gonna kick him out of the house.
That's not good.
It's done. GG.
No, bro, no, wait, no.
Did he actually beat him? That's crazy, bro.
Nah, you're
No, bro, I promise you there's a delay, JJ.
Delay in what?
Like input delay.
Why am I not feeling it?
nah, you're defending
No.
James, bro.
Okay, you know what? When you play, I'm gonna chat the most.
8 minutes, 2-0. Told you.
Oh, it's 2
No, okay,
less than
you
10
will see what I mean. No, like have a feel.
Well, it's done now.
Wow.
Too easy. Too easy. 3-1. Guess this is staying right here. This ended it.
Oh, he won.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh no, hell no, I'm gonna skip that. क्या भाई ना डांस करवा रहे हैं भाई, what the fuck?
You made all the
At the end. So just loved meeting with them.
So guys, जिस भी channel पे आप ये देख रहे हो,
Likewise.
we're gonna put all the links of their channel. Go subscribe, watch them. They're even dubbing their videos in Hindi.
That's a patronizing laugh.
And I think you guys should watch.
नहीं चाहिए सब्सक्राइबर तुम्हारे भाई, थैंक यू।
ATG Extra, KSI Plus, KSI.
Yo, it's okay.
We got Hindi dubbing in our channel. Hindi dubbing.
Yeah, they have Hindi dub also. So
Yeah.
No,
And
and
soon Mo is also starting his channel.
no, he already has one.
No, he's like starting to post. Come on.
Yeah, the last video he posted was KSI tries Indian sweets.
Yeah.
He's
That
like,
was like
3.
2 years back.
Yeah, you were like, you guys have a channel. And you
But
like
we don't
remember
post.
it like once a year. I feel like James channel is my channel as well. That's true. That's true.
You guys have been showing up.
You know you like.
Bro, he's the top 5 people of all time.
Oh, they're going back. They're not staying there. Okay.
फोटो सेशन भी हो गया